Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will calculate the value of this without the use of calculator. So we have 2 raised to power 18 minus 1. It can be written as 2 raised to power 9 bracket 2 minus 1 raised to power 2. This can be written as 2 raised to power 9 plus 1 bracket 2 raised to power 9 minus 1. As we know, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. So on further solving this, 2 raised to power 9 can be written as 512 plus 1 bracket 512 minus 1. On solving this, we get 513 times 511. We can write 513 as 500 plus 13 times 500 plus 11. On solving this, we get 500 times 500, we get 250,000 plus 500 times 11 is equal to 5500 plus 13 times 500, we get 6500 plus 13 times 11 is equal to 143. On further solving this, we get 2500 plus 5500 plus 6500 is equal to 12,000 plus 143. And on further solving this, we get 262143. Hence, we have solved this without the use of any calculator. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next.